So welcome back to our channel Amygdala, and yeah, today is another vlog about event. So as you guys have seen in my previous vlogs that I was performing, I was like teaching dance, and we all were learning dance since so long. It's been like month or more than a month, and today is the day of performance. So I don't know where I should look. This is so stupid. I should look here. I should look in. Like, this is so stupid. Okay.
क्या गुंडा बनेगा रे तू
So, yeah. Today is the day of performance, and yeah, I got pimple also. Like, important day है तो कुछ तो गंदा होना ही है. But it's okay, and I haven't slept night, not because of performance, because I have important class today, dermatology class, and teacher बहुत strict है वो, तो मुझे पढ़ाई करनी थी. वैसे तो ज़्यादा पढ़ा नहीं because I had headache and I haven't ate anything since like yesterday afternoon, and now I don't even have time to eat anything, and I don't even have appetite to eat because बहुत बहुत टेंशन होती है उस क्लास की हमेशा. And then today's performance also, and I can't miss that. It's important class, so it is really hectic. So I'm gonna go now to the class, and yeah, you guys see so much of mess in my room. I'll tell you, because of performance. वैसे मेरी रूम हमेशा बहुत अच्छी होती है. Like literally it's really arranged, and every time it's really nice.
चल झूठा
Yeah, so see you guys there. It was also raining. I was going to the class with all the costumes and bags. See this. Bye bye. And as usual, I'm always early. Nobody was there. Then I started studying a little bit before class.
Side of the vagina.
Then I took bus and directly went to event. And you see my beautiful dance mates was there. Everyone was looking beautiful. He was a little shy though. There you go, that was us performing there. It was really beautiful. My girls did the best job. Everyone was looking so pretty. I mean, you guys would have seen our struggle while learning the song. Literally, it was much more. For a month we were struggling to learn the choreography because I put so much classical steps, and it was kind of difficult for everyone. But it went good at last, and all that stress was really worth it. And there you go, the boys team. They were so chill with choreography, and they were looking so nice. It was so nice, colorful, and they did this bhangra. I was big fan of their bhangra. I was like, मुझे भी लो, मुझे भी लो. But then they were like, नहीं 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 नहीं, छोटी बच्ची लगेगी नहीं. So I was like, okay. But they were the best rocking handsome boys ever. That's my team. Ta-da-da, all together. course, then after event, we did lots of photo shoot together. Also, there was this after event party arranged. Well, I feel so shy to dance like this, you know. So I did it just for this video and I came. You can't believe, I feel like I can't dance like this in front of people. I mean, usually I do so much crazy stuffs, but it should be in my own gang, you know. Like, I can't in front of so much other people. So shy. Yeah, then we headed to a restaurant because we were literally starving and we got a taxi after getting rejected by like 3 taxi drivers.
After great difficulty.
So we are in taxi and this guy is not playing any songs. So should I sing song?
Just ask him.
To do this only I always run to sit in front.
Hey, look here. Look here. Look here. Look here. I'm gonna put it on YouTube.
That was the end of the vlog and it was a wonderful day. So do subscribe, share, like, da da da.